Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for entrepreneurs who want their content marketing to convert content consumers into paying customers. If you're struggling to grow your business's account on the Instagram platform and you're not sure what to do first, well, let me answer a question a lot of my paid students often ask me when they first start working with me, which is, what's the quickest way to gain Instagram followers? But wait, before we go any further, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get the help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you can do more business. Speaking of Instagram and questions my paid students often will ask me about it, I recently did a video entitled, How Do I Get More Followers on Instagram 2021? And it's a great primer that will help you out a lot in terms of what you're wondering about, meaning what's the quickest way to gain Instagram followers. So I'm not going to repeat all of those teachings here in that How Do I Get More Followers video. Just make sure that you watch that video after you're done watching this video. So what can we discuss right here and right now in this video, you ask? Well, for you, it's likely all about the need for speed. I've said it before in other videos, but I'll say it again here. My 7-figure client, Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill, who have, as of the shooting of this video, nowhere near 10,000 followers on Instagram. They are making about $1,000 a week just on Instagram alone via the DMs or direct messages. So do you think they need to sweat that they don't yet qualify for, say, the swipe up feature on that platform? Nope. It's about getting quality leads on Instagram instead of the sheer quantity of them. Because as you have probably figured out by now, you can't deposit followers in the bank. But sure, a healthy amount of followers and an engaged audience for your Instagram-based content is key when it comes to getting the conversions your business needs to succeed. Nonetheless, I get it. Social proof is nice. Quick growth on the Instagram platform is fun. And you do want to have a lot of people discovering your content on Instagram so that one piece of content at a time, it comes up on either the Explore page or tab and or in search on Instagram. You're gaining followers and hopefully customers quickly. I understand, I do. So consistently posting on the platform on the daily really does make a difference because each piece of content is like a digital breadcrumb out there on the Instagram platform to be discovered by your ideal customer and lead them back to you. So the more well-optimized digital breadcrumbs are out there, the faster you're likely to grow as a business owner with a presence on that platform. But if you're like, Stacey, I'm an adult who's a busy entrepreneur. How am I ever going to be able to create that much content? I have 2 videos on my channel that you need to check out. One is entitled How to Plan Your Content Marketing, and that will give you ideas and ways to plug everything into a calendar so that you can put out content organically on Instagram, say, that's sales-based and relationship marketing based, and you'll go about calendar blocking in time to batch that time to create that stuff too. So don't miss that video. Anyone who's telling you that you can post at a rate of every few days or once a week in a global sense on Instagram and get real results is either lying to you or they're parroting advice that worked a while ago. But I'm telling you, not now. Anyway, moving on, we'll get to that next video in a minute. Representing a true resource. Look, more people are likely going to follow your business account on Instagram and do so on their first visit when your account and its profile and feed show that it's collectively a true resource, having to do with the intersecting interests that your ideal customers have, meaning a problem or a passion that they have, which would lead them to searching up and consuming content like yours, made by a business like yours, about the topics your business has any business discussing on Instagram in the first place. If you understand who your ideal customer is, then you know what keywords and hashtags they're searching on to binge content about the problem that's bothering them or the thing they're most passionate about at any given time. So you'll need to create a profile or business account with a profile, bio, and feed that's chock full of content that isn't just a parade of product photos and a tsunami of sales announcements, but a resource that's truly stocked with content that is all about that intersecting interest and can entertain them, educate them, and or inspire them. So if you really need help in this regard, you'll want to watch my next video, Blow Up Your Instagram with this hashtag strategy, okay? It'll really help you. If you're not a resource to someone, they're less likely to follow you, which will slow down you accruing social proof on Instagram, and of course, will slow down your overall growth on the platform. People are more concerned about themselves and what lights them up than they are about you and what you're out to sell them. So put out content daily or close to it that isn't just about your products, services, and sales, but information, education, and inspiration that has to do with the intersecting interest of your ideal customer, and you'll grow fast. It works. Optimizing for search and suggestion. If you want to know what's the quickest way to gain Instagram followers, then you have to understand that organic content marketing on the platform has to be done intelligently, meaning you're optimizing every single piece of content from feed posts to IGTV video to Reels so that it can be discovered through direct search by your ideal customer and or direct suggestion via the Instagram algorithm. That means you're not into creating random acts of content, meaning you're not digitally posting content and then getting mad that you're not getting leads when you barely have a caption, you have a poorly optimized caption, and or you're not using hashtags or you're using them ineffectively. Your captions, keywords, and hashtags will help you in terms of improving over time your account's Instagram SEO strength, where you're leveraging search engine optimization on the Instagram platform so that one piece of content at a time, you're having content being pulled up in search by the right people who are primed to follow, primed to get on your email list, and even possibly primed to buy your products and or services from you right now. Plus, use the right keywords and hashtags to optimize your content with, and the Instagram algorithm is more likely to learn about your account holistically and or at the very least can suggest out your content piece by piece more intelligently to other people via, say, the Explore tab or page so that they consume your content too and stay on the Instagram platform longer. So if you're lost on whether or not your optimization game is on point in connection with Instagram, you'll also want to check out my video, How to Improve Your Instagram SEO 2021, because then you'll know what you need to work on, like ASAP. If you're not optimizing your content, one piece that you post to Instagram at a time, and doing it well, then you're wasting your time. So, oh, come on. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel already. It's chock full of organic content marketing, Instagram content marketing, and TikTok content marketing. Tips, tricks, and techniques for serious entrepreneurs like you to enjoy. Engagement and promotion. Engagement on the Instagram platform will get you to gain more Instagram followers faster because the humans will like you more for noticing that they exist instead of you just spraying content onto the channel and then running off. Like chucking organic content into a void ever really did too much of anything for anyone. Come on. When you're interested in your current Instagram followers, no matter how small they are, then you become more interesting to them. Then they're more likely to follow if they're just consuming a piece of your content, but haven't followed yet. They're more likely to tell their friends about you, both digitally and through word of mouth in real life. And then that Instagram algorithm, it's more likely to suggest your content out more often to others who should be following you via Explore, because every comment, every engagement, every DM, every like, every pretty much anything that happens on your content is a data point for the algorithm to surface. and to rank you higher with. I did a recent video entitled Instagram Engagement Tip 2021, and you've got to check that video out for a great suggestion that will boost your Instagram engagement in a tasteful, non-salesy way. It will show you the good, the bad, and the ugly, having to do with such a tip so that you don't come off as spam and you grow one engagement at a time, a community of brand enthusiasts who don't just follow your account, but love what you do, who you do it for, and why you do it in the first place. People don't as much drop an Instagram profile, business, or personal, and then just start following it when they find it in search. They do it because of one piece of well-optimized content at a time. You're smart in terms of how you optimize that content in the first place. And when they see that you have a community that you're having fun with in the comments, and maybe they're even having fun chatting in the comments amongst themselves, they're more likely to follow you anyway. That leads to quicker growth, even if you're small. If you're small, but your effort in general and in connection with your community is mighty, you'll gain Instagram followers more quickly. Don't go to the dark side. This is the part where I acknowledge the fact that you can buy Instagram followers, but tell you, please, for the love of all that's good and holy, don't do that, because you're cutting your nose off to spite your face, as the saying goes. Not only is it violative of Instagram's terms of service, and Instagram's been busting engagement pods and rings and black hat or non-partner apps and software and bots increasingly since 2018, but it will get your account shadow banned, reduced reach, and eventually shut down. Plus, let's be honest, you can't sell to bots, other engagement pod members, software, and whatnot. You just need to organically grow an Instagram business account or profile that's an invaluable resource for your ideal customer, and not just a lookbook of business offerings for sale. When you do that, even if you have 1,000 followers, plus or minus, you'll be making sales, either in the DMs or direct messages on Instagram, or your Instagram account will be cited to as purchases are made. Remember, Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill isn't even up to 6,000 followers on Instagram yet, but they don't qualify for the swipe up feature yet on the platform. They really don't care. They're a 7-figure success who make sales via the DMs on the daily. Quantity over quality. Remember, you don't need to cheat. You'll get your social proof. You really will. It won't take long to get it from the right kinds of people if only you follow the advice I give in this video, because your ideal customer is out there searching for, not you yet, but for the solutions that you can offer to them, to their problems or the satisfactions of their desires through your products and or services. Don't be impatient. Don't game the system, because it's going to game you. Just work the system on the daily and do it intelligently, and you'll grow and make sales sooner or later, because honestly, what's the point otherwise? To rack up a huge audience that's really just a bunch of people who will never buy from you? Nah, you wouldn't waste your time cheating just to waste your time and money, would you? I didn't think so. There you have it. This is my answer when it comes to answering the question of what's the quickest way to gain Instagram followers. Need more help? Be sure to check out these 2 awesome videos too, because they'll teach you great content marketing strategies that can also help to blow up your business. Enjoy.